Avatar isn't a diet. It's not a cleanse, detox, or shortcut. It's a revolutionary new way of eating. With Avatar, nutrition is tailored specifically for you. You'll check in every week to update us on your progress, and the system changes your nutrition to match. With simple goals to hit, you're right on track every week for sustainable, unstoppable progress. Tracking your diet becomes part of your lifestyle. You enter what you eat, and Avatar counts the protein, carbs, and fat. The macros count down with every meal, and all you have to do is zero them out. We make it simple. No matter how hectic your day gets, Avatar lets you stay flexible. You can eat what you want. As long as you hit your targets, you'll still reach your goal. No system is easier to use. And you're not in it alone. Real people are ready to answer your questions whenever you need. Our community is thousands strong and growing. Whether you're 18 or 80, whether you're ready or not, we've got your back. This isn't a diet. This is a way of life. Eat what you want. Feel great about it. Period. Forever starts here. Welcome to the revolution.